Welcome back to Vegan Sing. Today we're making savory crepes with mashed potato filling inside.
So every cafe which sells savory crepes with mashed potato filling inside, सालों गाली खाओगे वो मसाला डोसा होता है.
My mistake. We're actually making South India's famous Rava Masala Dosa, which is savory crepes with mashed potato filling inside, but we'll stick with the Indian name. It's really simple and easy to make. Chaliye. Let's get started. There's 3 steps today: the dosa batter, the coconut chutney, and the potato filling. We'll start off with the batter, which has a cup of rice flour, a half cup of all-purpose flour, and a cup of semolina flour. The semolina and all-purpose flour is primarily for binding and texture, while the rice flour gives your traditional dosa taste. We're adding a tablespoon of each cumin and salt, along with a half medium onion minced. Salt's a must. It activates your sodium-potassium pump. What's life without it? You need that ATP. My biology teacher would be so proud. Keep adding water to get that runny consistency. As you can see here, it's seamless. So this is the perfect consistency right here. We'll let this sit for 20 minutes, and in the meantime, let's make some potato filling. Growing up in a Punjabi household, we weren't eating Rava Masala Dosas growing up. It wasn't something that was usually made at home. And whenever we'd go out, having a Rava Masala Dosa would be a treat. It would be unique. And when people would say, this is Indian food, I wouldn't believe them because it wasn't something that we would eat normally. And it's always interesting when people say, hey, do you like Indian food? Or, hey, I want to go out for Indian. Because Indian cuisine is so diverse. There's so many different cultures. And I'm so excited as a part of Vegan Sing that I'll be able to share all these different cultures with you. Let's start out by mashing 5 boiled potatoes for the potato filling. We have a variety of spices that we'll be using in the filling today. I need some spice in my life, so I got some dried red chilies, curry leaves, which is a South Indian staple, fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, some turmeric, great for antioxidants, hing, which is also great for antioxidants, and some salt, as we talked about, sodium-potassium pump. Add 5 tablespoons of oil to the stir fry, and then we'll add the variety of spices. Snap, crackle, and pop! Now it's time for the Punjabi word of the episode, turka, which means the stir fry. You can also say tarka, but main gabru put Punjab da. When the onions caramelize, you know it's time to add the mashed potatoes. Just cook that for a bit, and then we're done. You gotta eat green, so you gotta eat clean. Let's add some cilantro on top, just to make this a little bit healthier. Just gonna take a sample. Ooh, so good. I can't contain my excitement. Now on to the coconut chutney. This is my special recipe. So I'm taking some dried coconut, I'm mashing it up, and then I'm gonna throw it in some simmering soy milk. And what's gonna happen is all the amazing coconut flavor is gonna infuse into the soy milk. We'll let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's nice and thick. And then we're gonna throw it in the blender with 1 serrano pepper. We'll blend it and it'll be ready. We'll just serve it chilled though. Now let's get back to the dosa batter. So what's happened in the past 20 minutes is all this flour has sunk to the bottom because it's absorbed so much water. All we're gonna do now is remix the batter, and we're gonna continue to add more and more water to get that running consistency again. Let's make some dosas. Let's drizzle a tablespoon of oil on a non-stick pan on medium heat. Kidda. Let's stir that batter one last time, and let's take a ladle and pour the batter into the pan. That sizzle. Woo. As you can tell, I really like dosas. Drizzle in a tad bit of oil to help cook the top as well. You'll know that this is cooked once it starts to char, like this. What are you guys watching me for? You saw how easy it is to make this. Make it on your own. Well, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.